Hello guys, welcome to the train race. Now this is not the real train race. The real train race is going to be next week. So let me tell you something. It's InSkill versus Lionel. Now we're gonna see who wins. So the thing is, InSkill have a thing that he could go around. This is very powerful because I add a very powerful transformer to, you see how big that block is? My God. Versus this Lionel train, but this is not really gonna be exactly how fast they really are. So the thing is, for InSkill, if it goes too fast, it's gonna derail. The same with Lionel train. So, are we gonna start this race? Let's get the engines all fired up. There goes the steam locomotive here. Alright, guys, ready? Are you guys ready? Okay. Ready, set, go! Alright, and they're off. Lionel's off to a great start here. We have 10 laps today. Lap number 1 is completed. InSkill is catching up here. Lionel, you need to go faster because InSkill is coming up here. Oh no, InSkill derailed. We have an accident here. Alright, Mr. Steam Engine, stay right there. Okay, this is today's accident. Our steam train derailed. Now, there's some track damage here, so I have to put this down for a sec. Some track issues here. Okay, guys, our race is starting when we put this InSkill back on the track. We're at lap 2. Our first crash for today. We're gonna probably see a lot of InSkill crashes today. Just fast forward. Fast forward to is wrong with this Nintendo here. Let me just end the video here.